What's up everybody, Isaiah here, back with another recipe video for you. And this week we're doing one of my most popular recipes on Pinterest. We're doing vegan baked beignets. And it's crazy because I actually thought this was going to be like one of my lowest viewed and rated recipes, and it turned out to be like the best one. I made this recipe like over like 2 years ago now, and it constantly just gets a bunch of views and clicks to the blog, and I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Let's go.
Alright, first thing you want to do is take 3/4 of a cup of vegan milk and a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Then you mix it together and set it to the side for about 10 minutes. Then next you'll take a 1/4 cup of warm water and you add a pack of dry yeast and also a teaspoon of sugar, which I forgot to add here. And you mix it together till it's combined, and you're going to set that aside for about 10 minutes. Then you'll take 3 cups of flour, you take a 1/4 cup of sugar, add 1½ teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and then you're going to mix that until it's combined. Then the next thing is you're going to add 4 tablespoons of vegan butter, and then you're going to, using a fork, mix that until the flour starts to become like crumbly. Then you're going to take the yeast mixture, then pour in the milk mixture. Then you're going to add 1/2 cup of aquafaba and mix that until it's combined. And then you'll add that to the flour mixture by making a well in it. Then you just mix that until it's fully incorporated together. Then you take cutting board or any type of surface, sprinkle with flour. Then you're going to add the dough, and then you'll knead it for a couple minutes until the dough becomes soft and no longer is sticky. Then once the dough is done, you'll just add it to a bowl, and then you're going to leave it covered with either plastic wrap or towel, as I do here, and you just let it sit in a warm place for about an hour. Then after the hour is up, take the cutting board or flour surface and add the risen dough to it, and you can either use your hands or get a rolling pin and then roll the dough out into a large rectangle shape. And then using a knife, you'll cut it into squares. Then you're going to take a baking sheet lined with parchment paper or silicone mat, and then lay out the beignets, and then bake it in a 375-degree oven for 10 to 12 minutes or until it's golden brown. Then just cover it with powdered sugar, as I'm doing here. I did a little bit way too much, but the more the merrier. And those are vegan baked beignets. Really easy.
And that is how you make vegan baked beignets. And I guess you can see why it's like my most popular recipe on Pinterest now. If you do decide to make it, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and let your non-vegan friends try it and let me know how they like it too. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the video as well, and follow me on Instagram at Vegan and Proud Blog, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.